Hi, welcome to another video of this course, Benefits of WhatsApp and SMS Marketing. If you are already watching this course, and I believe that you already know the benefits of WhatsApp and SMS marketing. And what are the benefits of SMS or WhatsApp marketing? Because it has a high open rate up to 98%. So SMS and the WhatsApp messages have a higher open rate compared to emails or other marketing that you can do. And this also has a high CTR, so click-through rate for WhatsApp marketing and SMS marketing is high response rate up to 45%. And this is amazing because this is kind of a direct communication with your customers. When you personalize every message, you get a high response rate because you already know the customer and you will send a very precise messages to the customer, and it works for everyone. So immediate delivery messages are delivered instantly because 2 billion people are using WhatsApp, and if you have a customer list, you are directly sending them the messages, and this is going to be very amazing. Personalization, you can personalize every message because in this course I am going to tell you and teach you a tool that can help you to personalize every message. You can save the contacts, and when you send the message, it will automatically personalize every message with the name of your customers if you have saved the contacts. Cost effective solution, no doubt this is going to be a very cost effective way of marketing, and this is a direct marketing. So you can use a WhatsApp is a free to send messages, and that's awesome. And if you have a SIM card in your phone, and this is good for if you're going to do that as SMS marketing for a local business, this is awesome because I believe in every country you get SMS bundles, SMS packages on your phone, and you can utilize that to do SMS marketing. That's it. And there was a lot of benefits for WhatsApp or SMS marketing because in WhatsApp marketing you can send text messages, video files, media files, including images, GIF files, and you can do a lot. So, without any wasting time, let's get to the next part of this video. Stay tuned.